Cleaning and sanitizing your dirty dishes and utensils is a very important food safety process. Cleaning is the removal of grease and debris. Sanitizing reduces the number of germs to safe levels. If this is not done properly, microorganisms can contaminate foods. Equipment can be cleaned and sanitized in dishwashing machines that use chemical sanitizers or heat. Each machine has a data plate that explains how to properly operate the machine. Make sure it is working properly by measuring the temperature or chemical used for sanitizing. Check the temperature using a waterproof memory thermometer or temperature-sensitive tape, and check chemical strength with a test strip. If manually washing dishes, a 3-compartment sink is necessary. Start by pre-washing or scraping dirty equipment. Then use the first basin for washing dirty equipment with hot soapy water, at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit, to remove bits of food and grease. If the equipment is not properly cleaned, or if there is soap on the equipment, the sanitizer will not be as effective. The second basin is for rinsing to remove all traces of detergent and food particles. The third basin is used to sanitize the items. If using quat, you will need to check the instructions on the sanitizer bottle. For chlorine, use 50 to 100 parts per million for 10 seconds. Fill the basin with water and sanitizer to the specified temperature and concentration and check it with a test strip. Be sure to soak equipment for the required contact time. Lastly, place the sanitized equipment on the clean drain board to air dry. Never rinse after sanitizing or dry with a towel. This can contaminate the items you just washed. Remember, the proper sequence for manual washing is to pre-wash, wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. After handling dirty dishes, always wash your hands in a hand washing sink before you handle clean or washed dishes.